Hey everybody, welcome to Tuesday's stuff. So I'm going to give you a video here. Try to keep it short. In the video, we're going to cover these things here. First things first, have I missed any of your messages? A lot of you have been giving me like emails, messages on Remind, posting comments on the Google Classroom stuff, and I've been trying my best to make sure that I address all of your questions and all your comments. But if I've missed any of you, let me know. Just send the message again or say, hey, I commented. Can you get back to me? It's all good. I do want to make sure that I get back to you guys. Okay, second thing, my new YouTube account. Right, this is not my personal YouTube account. This is a work email YouTube account for you guys. And if you're watching this video, you already have the link to that account because this video is going to be posted on that account. So let's take a look real quick at where that is. So it looks like this. Here we are. These are the last two videos that I gave you guys. This is the one I gave you yesterday, and this is the one from last week on Friday. The one that you're watching now is going to be the third video, so you'll find it here. I'm going to be posting videos, hopefully, maybe not daily, but almost every day. Going over, right now, I'm going over some of the Khan Academy stuff because a lot of you had trouble or are having trouble with Khan Academy. So I want to make sure that the technology aspect is taken care of. And then later on, I'm going to be posting more instructional videos about how to do the work. And that's when we start getting into the more rigorous math content. Right now, it's pretty much just review. The assignment that I'm giving you today is very easy, but I want you to focus on the how to do the Khan Academy so that you can get that good to go. And then the actual math itself we're gonna keep it super easy. Very short assignment today. So focus on making sure that you're signed into Khan Academy and that you're seeing the stuff and that I'm getting it. We'll get that. So that's today's video. Okay, so here's this. Oh, by the way, comments are open. So when you go ahead and watch these videos, here I am again. You can go ahead and comment, and I will do my best to reply to your comments. If you have questions or anything that you want to say, comments will be open. All right, so that's good. Check number one, check number two. Now we can get into the real stuff here, the Khan Academy stuff. The last video that I posted was on how to sign on to Khan Academy, like how to actually sign up. So if you do have questions about that, go to that video. I'm not going to talk about that here. What I am going to talk about, though, is just signing in once you've already signed up, signing in and seeing the assignments and doing the assignments and that kind of stuff. So let's do that. So follow me along. I'm going to log in right here. By the way, this is the same if you're on a computer or if you're on a phone, tablet. It's going to be the same for everybody. So go ahead and push login right here. And you're going to log in with your email address. So this is my sample student that I created yesterday. TUSD.net. And then my password. Some of you forgot your password. If you did forget your password, there's a forget password right here, and it'll just send you a link to your email address so that you can set a new password. So you don't try to make a new account. Just if you forgot your password, click right here. Okay, so we're going to log in. And we'll see. Hopefully this doesn't take too long. We're looking good. Khan Academy's had a lot of traffic since everybody's signing up. So if the website's slow or if it doesn't let you do stuff, just be patient. It will get there. Okay, so since I've already signed up and signed into the class, the opening page is the My Assignments page. So you're going to be able to see your assignments straight away. It's going to look different because I've been assigning myself stuff just for trial. So yours is not going to have this much. Yours is only going to have two assignments, the one from yesterday and the one from today. So this is what you're going to see. If you don't see this, that means that you don't have the assignments tab right here. And what that means is that you're not in my classroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to teachers right here, click on that, and make sure that you see me, R. Berger, right there. If you don't see this, that means you're not in my class. And if you're not in my class, you're going to have to join. So right here, join class, you're going to type in the code. So whatever code is for your class, go ahead and type that in. And just so that I can show everybody, let's see, here are the codes. All right, so you can pause the video here if you want, write the code that you need, and take the chance if you aren't already in the Remind or the Google Classroom, make sure that you sign into that too. Okay, so there you go. All right, so verify that you're here, and you should see the assignment page right here. Okay, so when you're on the assignment page, let me make sure. I gotta make sure I'm hitting all my stuff. Sign in, check. Sign in, other videos. Yep. If you do not see the sign, verify teachers, enter code. Okay, perfect. Check. So now you've got your assignments, and let's see about actually doing the assignment. So you're on the assignment page. You can see your assignments right here, and you're going to see there's some starts, and these are the ones you've already done. If you've already done them, it's going to see like this, and if you haven't already done them, it's going to say start. So you're going to go to the one that I just assigned you today, which is called Extending Arithmetic Sequences. It's this one right here, and you're going to click Start, and then you're going to start the assignment. And here you go. Let's see, extending arithmetic sequences. There's some things that I want to talk to you about how to do this and what to not do. So kind of follow along. The actual math is going to be very easy. So don't focus on the math itself. Focus on how I'm typing answers in and where I'm clicking and where I'm looking. Okay, so onward. That's what we're going to do. This is going to actually start the assignment. If you go to lesson page, that's going to send you back to the lessons. We don't want to do that. So onward. Or not. Let's see. Let's try one more time. Oops. Oh, you know what? That's my bad. I'm clicking on the wrong one. So that's fine. You can click start for you. Since I already did the assignment, it's actually giving me something else. But anyway, let me do this one more time. Okay, here it is. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see get ready to practice, and it's going to be 4 questions, very quick assignment, and you're going to click let's go. Same thing. If you go to lesson page, it's going to send you back to the lesson page. So don't do that. Go ahead and click let's go. Extended arithmetic sequences. Here we go. What's the next term of the arithmetic sequence? 5, 7, 3. Okay, so some of you will already know how to do this. This question is not hard. That's fine. But I want to show you some of the things that you can do. Down here at the bottom, you see this little squiggly stuff? Okay, so we're going to click on that. And this will actually allow you to do some work. And so I'm going to kind of do this problem right now. We can have 7. We have 5. We have 3. Let me see if I can actually do that. Yeah, that's a terrible looking 3. My apologies. 3. All right. So from 7 to 5, it looks like we're subtracting 2. From 5 to 3, it looks like we're subtracting 2. And so we can subtract 2 again. And what's that going to give us? Well, that's going to give us 1. Okay, so there's our answer. Our answer is 1. You type in 1, and you push check. Okay, good work. We did it. We got 3 more to go. So then you're going to click next question. Perfect. Okay, again, focus not on the math. I know you can do the math. Focus on how I'm working out the problems and using the Khan Academy. So let's say you're doing this problem, -8, -14, -20, and let's say you're doing the work and you say, okay, I think the answer is going to be -40. Okay, so I don't think that's the right answer, but let's see. So let's check. Not quite. So you can see right here it says not quite. So you can get help or skip for now. Don't click skip. If you click skip, it's just going to be wrong. So you can try again. Get help is going to be the same as this. So I'm going to click it actually over here. So try again. And if you try again, it doesn't look like anything changed. So you're actually going to have to erase your answer and type in your new answer, whatever you think the new answer is. And if you're not sure, you don't know, well, you can click watch a video or use a hint. So let's do that. Watch a video, use a hint. Let's see, here is the video. So I can click on this. It's going to open up a new tab. Notice it opened a new tab. And in this new tab, they're going to show us the video. And this video is going to go through how to do it. And once again, this particular assignment, pretty easy. I don't think you're going to need too much help, but pay attention to how I'm doing this because there will be assignments where you will need help. So make sure that you know that you can click that video link and you can watch these videos. Sometimes there's actually multiple videos. Okay, while I'm here, there's a bunch of stuff here on the side. And this is all good resources if you want to use them. But I warn you, don't be distracted over here because these are not the assignments. And see right here, practice. This is the assignment that you're in the middle of doing. So try not to get tied up over here because it might affect your work over here. You don't want to start and have to start over because you accidentally clicked on the assignment again. So just watch the video and then be done. Okay, so let's say we get the answer wrong twice. Okay, so we got the answer wrong twice. Check again. Not quite. Okay, so that's fine. That's as much as we're going to get. We can try it again. We can check again, and then we can move on. And if you're really not sure, just move on. But I think that you'll be able to do these assignments. So I'm going to get these questions wrong on purpose because I want to show you what happens at the end. Okay, so getting all these wrong. And again, you can watch the video, use the hint for any time. For getting the hint, it gives you multiple hints. So you can start with just a quick hint. Maybe that's enough. Or you can get more hints all the way until it actually tells you the answer at the end. But if you get this far, the question's not going to count. It's still going to mark as if you got it wrong. So this is just for you so that you can see how to do it. Okay, so I'm going to get the answer wrong on purpose. And we're going to see. Okay, we got 1 out of 4, and we got some energy points, whatever that means. I don't know. And you're going to click done. Make sure you click done. If you don't click done, then I'm not going to see that you did it. So go ahead and push done, and then there you go. Now, what did we do? We got 1 out of 4. So here's the assignment we just did, and we got 1 out of 4. So it's showing us got a 25%. Part of the assignment today, I want you to get 100%. I need you guys to get all of them right. So if you didn't get all of them right, you're going to push try again. Now notice once you get 100%, there's no try again button. You can't try it again once you get 100. So if you don't get 100, push try again. And it's going to do the exact same thing. So new questions, but let's go. And then we're going to try the assignment one more time. Okay, so I want everybody to get 100% on this assignment. Now, just some notes while you're doing this, don't click away to other programs. If you click away to other programs and then come back, the Khan Academy sometimes, not always, but sometimes it'll close this window and you'll have to start the assignment over again. So just be careful to not minimize or click away from the assignment because it might kick you off and you'll have to start over. So just avoid that. And yeah, okay, so we're good on that. Let's do our little checklist. Sign in, check doing assignments, check redoing assignments, check. I want everybody to get a 100%. You all should be able to get a 100%. Okay, other things, last other comments. So let's go back here. Yes. And let's go back to this last page. Okay, so just a couple things. In the main menu here in Khan Academy, you see there's this courses button right here and the same courses button right here. Don't click those. Don't click them. Because if you do, what it's going to show you are these assignments here, and you're going to be tempted to do these. These are not my assignments. I don't want you to do these. You can, but it's just for you. It'll not count towards anything for our class. I won't be able to see it even. Actually, I think I could if I go onto your profile, but this is not going to come into my gradebook. So don't even do these. And if you click courses up here, again, don't click it. But if you do, you're going to get this big menu with all this stuff. And you're going to be like, I don't understand. Where is integrated one? It's not even on here. So just don't click here. Click it again to come out of the menu if you do find yourself there. Okay, so don't click courses. You do want to click this button though. This button right here, this is like your home button. Wherever you are, if you've clicked the wrong button, you know, whatever what's going on, click the Khan Academy logo right there, and it'll send you right back to my assignments, and this is where you want to be, right? Okay, good. Notifications here, when you click here, your name, there's some notifications. Now, this was a little confusing for me, so I wanted to talk about it in case it was confusing for you too. When you click on notifications, it sends you here, but if you click on it again, it sends you here. So this is actually like a double menu. So I don't know, that was tricky for me. So when you're here, you can go to Learner Home, which will send you back to here. That's another way. This button does the same as this button. And settings. So I want to show you one more thing. And this is kind of for me, because some of you on the gradebook are coming in as your student ID numbers instead of as your names. So I want to see if I can get everybody to get just their names. So go to settings, and under the settings menu, it's going to show you your username and your real name. Make sure that the real name says your real name and not your student ID number, because I just want to be able to see what your names are. And on here, you can do some other things. If you need to change your password, make sure that your role says learner. You're not a teacher. Unless you are one of the parents who's watching this, you can, of course, select parent. But for all the students, make sure you're on learner. Okay, and that's it. So how do I get out of this menu? This is another thing that was tricky. How do you even, you're in this menu, how do you get out? Click the Khan Academy button right here at the top. That'll send you back to where you need to be, which is the assignments page. Okay, great. Now just one last thing. One of the things that maybe is good or maybe not good about Khan Academy is there's a lot of buttons that do the same thing. So you can see we talked about how there's courses here and also courses here. Don't click those. You can get to settings from here. You can also get to settings from clicking here, and you can also click to settings here. So all three of these places give you the same menu option. So I don't know why they did that, but all three of those buttons do the same thing. So that's that. All right, so I think that covers what I want to say. Make sure that you are logged on. If you are having trouble actually logging into Khan Academy, then go and watch my video here on my YouTube page, the how to sign on. That'll show you how to actually log in for the first time. Once you are logged in, then we're going to be going into the assignments. So take a look at your assignment. Today's assignment is called Extending Arithmetic Sequences. I just did the assignment kind of with you. I got most of the answers wrong on purpose, but take a look, watch the videos if you need to, and everybody needs to get 100%. So click try again until you get 100%. And that's that. Okay, so comment if you have questions or hit me up on Remind. You can email me or on Google Classroom. Trying to be as available as possible. And if I did miss any of your messages in the past, let me know so I can respond. All right, that's it. I'll see you.